An interesting problem from the chapter of solubility product. The question says freshly precipitated aluminium and magnesium hydroxides are stirred vigorously in a buffer solution containing 0.25 mole per liter ammonium chloride and 0.05 molar of ammonium hydroxide to conduct the chemical reaction. Now calculate the concentration of aluminium and magnesium ions in the solution. As we know, the Kb given this value, Ksp given for magnesium hydroxide having this value, and Ksp of aluminum hydroxide are given this value. As we know, this form a buffer solution, and here this is nothing but 0.25 mole concentration of NH4Cl plus 0.05 mole concentration of NH4OH. So this is the buffer which makes the precipitation of aluminum hydroxides and magnesium hydroxides. Now what happens to calculate the pOH of the solution, that is pKb plus log of NH4 plus ion concentration divided by NH4OH. This is applicable for weak bases. Here pKb for ammonium hydroxide given, that is 1.8 into 10 to the power minus 5 plus ammonium ion concentration comes from here 0.25. There will be log, so log of 0.25 divided by, this is the ammonium hydroxide concentration 0.05. So this becomes the value 5.44. After calculation we will get, after taking anti-log OH minus ion concentration, pOH will be negative logarithm of OH minus ion concentration. This becomes 3.6 into 10 to the power minus 6 mole. Okay. Now from definition, Al3 plus ion concentration will be solubility product of AlOH thrice divided by OH minus ion cube. As we know, this is because of the dissociation like this. AlOH thrice is in equilibrium with Al3 plus OH minus. This will be 3. Now putting the value from here, 6 into 10 to the power minus 32 whole divided by 3.6 into 10 to the power minus 6 whole cube. Okay, hope you can understand. Thus the value will be, after calculation and simplification, 1.28 into 10 to the power minus 15 mole. Similarly, for Mg2 plus, this becomes Ksp of mgOH twice whole divided by OH minus square, as it becomes from the chemical equation. mgOH twice is in equilibrium, Mg2 plus 2OH minus. This 2 in suffix comes in the power. After putting the values from here, 8.9 into 10 to the power minus 12 whole divided by 3.6 comes from here into 10 to the power minus 6 whole square. After calculation, this became 0.68 mole.